Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Most people go through life never knowing this silent trick that will make you stand out from the crowd. It's an interesting thing, but most people don't know how to use it. So in today's video, we are going to be sharing with you this powerful silent trick that will make others think highly of you. No. 1. Learn to remain calm in any situation. When you learn how to remain calm and quiet in any environment, people will begin to respect and value your opinion more. The reason is simple. When you speak, people listen. But when you remain silent, they will also remain silent. And when you have the ability to remain silent when everyone else is loud, you can control any room or situation just by being present. Here's the best part. When you remain calm and quiet, people will begin to feed you information. They will start talking to you, telling you what to do, and sharing their ideas with you. So when you want to be heard and respected, learn to be silent and calm. Number 2, don't justify your silence. Many times people will try to read into your silence, and sometimes it can be very uncomfortable. Some may think that you are angry, while others may think you're being rude. The fact is, your silence may not have meant anything at all. You were simply taking some time to think before you speak. However, if someone does ask you why you are being silent, don't try to justify yourself. Simply tell them you are enjoying the moment or you're enjoying the company. If you try to explain why you are being silent, then you will look like you are desperate to defend yourself. But if you tell them you're enjoying the moment, they will feel honored and flattered. Number 3, use silence to test people. There's a Chinese proverb that goes, "When you are among the wise, you hear only words of wisdom. On the contrary, when you are among fools, you hear only fools talk." The same is true with your own life. If you want to know who your real friends are, spend some time being silent and still. Your true friends will stick around and they'll even ask you if everything is all right. On the other hand, fake friends will begin to ignore you. Also, if you notice that your colleagues or co-workers start to gossip about you when you're not around, then you'll know that they don't respect you. True and genuine people will always respect your silence. Number 4, use silence to connect with people. When you sit in silence with someone, you will actually be able to connect with them on a deeper level. Silence can bring people together. It gives them time to think about the person in front of them. And if you're able to sit in silence with someone without feeling awkward, then you've already stood out from the crowd. When you sit in silence with someone, it shows that you respect them. It shows that you're willing to be vulnerable and open. And it shows that you're not afraid of rejection. Number 5, it's a sign of high self-respect. One of the main reasons why you should use the silent treatment wisely is because it shows high self-respect. When you refuse to engage in pointless conversations or debates, people will see that you value your time and energy. In today's world, many people would rather be silent than speak the truth. They are too afraid of what others might say or think. But when you choose to stand up for what you believe in, even if no one else is around, that shows true self-respect. With that said, there is a correct way and a wrong way to use the silent treatment. We suggest that you should not use it to punish others. Don't use it to hide your emotions or to play games with people. The silent treatment should be used wisely. It's a powerful tool that can be used to bring people together or push them away. The choice is yours. So I ask you, how do you use the silent treatment? Let me know in the comments below. And finally, we would like to thank you all for your support. Our mission is to spread wisdom and knowledge to everyone in the world, and you help us do that. So again, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could take the time to leave a comment below. We love reading your comments and we value your input. So what are you waiting for? Click that like button and let us know what you think.